Hi guys, so today we will solve this problem called move zeros. Let's read it. Given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of the non-zero element. Note that you must do this in place without making any copy of the array, right? So we've been given this array, right? And we need to move all the zeros to the end by maintaining the relative positions of all the elements. So the output would look something like this, right? So that is the idea. We need to basically get these zeros, like whatever we have, we need to move that till the end. And all these elements which are there, we need to restore their order, right? So how we can do this? The approach, for first approach is a very simple, like we can create a, new array and we can just store all the non-zero elements in it and also the other, whichever is empty, right? The positions which are empty, we can just put zero in that place, right? But that requires an array. So how we can do it without that? So it would be very simple. What we can do is maintain a iterator, right? An iterator will be zero, right? Initially. So whenever I see like a no, so whenever I iterate and whenever I see a non-zero element, so when I'm here, I see a non-zero element, I'll swap it with the index, right? That we are on currently and the iterator index, right? So right now, zero, right? So zero will be swapped with index, whatever position zero is there, will be swapped with the non-zero index, which is so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So one index will be swapped with zero index. So in that case, what we'll get something like 1, 0, 0, 3, 12, right? Okay, right. Now, when we move to the next one, so next one is 0 again, move to the next one. Right now we are 3. So this will be updated to 1, right? Okay, iterator will always be increased once we are doing one, once we are done with the swap. So yeah, when we are here now at 3, 3 is a non-zero element, right? So it will be swapped with whatever is there at index 1. So whatever is there at index 1, so index 1 has 0 and we are at 3, so we'll swap that. So 1, 3, 0, 0, 12, right? Now we are here and this will be increased, right? Now we move to the next one. So we have 12. So at 12, it's a non-zero element, right? So what we'll do, we'll swap it with whatever is there at index 2, right? So whatever is there at index 2, we'll swap it out. So index 2 is here and 12 is here. So we'll swap it out. So now we have 1, 3, 12, 0, 0, right? So that is the final output, which is all the zeros are in the end and all the other elements in the relative order are at the start, right? So that is the approach. Let's get to the coding part in order to understand this a bit better. So let's get to the coding part. So first of all, I'll maintain a count iterator, right? I'll just iterate through nums and I'll just say that if nums of I is not equal to 0, then what I'll do, I'll just swap whatever is there at nums of count plus plus and nums of I, right? That would be the approach. Let's run it to see if everything is working fine. Yeah, that works. And that is submitted. Cool. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you so much.